Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see or view if you're using either a private or a public network for connection to the internet on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the network and internet tile. And then on the left side, you want to just select the status. And then on the right, whether it's a Wi-Fi or Ethernet-based connection, you want to select the properties button underneath your connection type. And then it should tell you whether you're using a private or public-based connection here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.